If you want to recover lost sales automatically, then setting up an abandoned cart email in Mailchimp is one of the best things you can do. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can create an abandoned cart automation, connect it to your store, and start reminding shoppers to come back and complete their purchase. This is a powerful way to boost conversions without manually emailing customers, one by one. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple marketing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the automation section. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of its automated email journeys, including customer follow-up campaigns, welcome emails, and cart recovery flows. Click on Automations to open the automation options. Next, you'll want to create a new journey or workflow. On the customer journey screen, click on Choose Flow Template. Mailchimp gives you a list of pre-built automation templates, which makes the setup much faster than building everything from scratch. This is especially helpful if you're new to email marketing or just want a simple abandoned cart setup without complicated steps. Now scroll down through the available templates until you find Recover Abandoned Carts. This is the exact template designed for e-commerce stores that want to send reminder emails when a shopper leaves items behind in their cart. Click on Recover Abandoned Carts to open the template preview. Once the template opens, click on Use this flow. This tells Mailchimp that you want to start building this abandoned cart automation using their pre-built journey. From here, Mailchimp will guide you through the setup process for the cart recovery email series. At this stage, you'll usually need to make sure your online store is connected to Mailchimp. If your store is not integrated yet, Mailchimp won't be able to track abandoned carts or trigger the automation properly. So if needed, connect your e-commerce platform first, then return to this flow. This connection is what allows Mailchimp to know when a customer adds products to their cart but does not finish checkout. After your store is integrated, you can begin customizing the journey. Click on the highlighted areas in the automation flow to open the settings and edit the trigger, timing, and email content. This is where you decide how long to wait before sending the abandoned cart reminder. For example, you might send the first email after a short delay so the customer has time to return on their own. You can also customize the message so it feels more personal and matches your brand. A good abandoned cart email usually includes a clear subject line, a reminder of the item left behind, and a direct call to action that brings the customer back to checkout. Keep the email short, helpful, and focused on completing the purchase. Once everything looks right, save your automation and make sure it's turned on. After that, Mailchimp will handle the process automatically for you. When someone abandons their cart, the workflow can send the reminder email without you needing to do anything manually. And that's it. You've now set up an abandoned cart email in Mailchimp and taken an important step toward recovering sales that might have been lost. This is one of the easiest automation strategies for any online store, and once it's running, it can save you time while helping bring customers back. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp tutorials, email marketing tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.